Welcome to Pragmatic. Today we will see one of the interesting product, that is backup product, MRP backup product. The purpose of this particular app to replace the current product with the backup product. I will show you step by step. First, we need to install the particular MRP backup product app. Once you install, then you are able to manage the bill of materials. For example, if I create a new bill of material, add a component and backup product also will come. What's the purpose of the backup product? I will explain with the existing bill of materials. For example, this is the product is the car. Okay, so I have a list of component: battery, chassis frame, fabric seat, V6 engine. So if the fabric seat is not available, then the backup product I will utilize leather seat. The same thing if I have no V6 engine, so I'm able to utilize my backup product as a V8 engine. It's a backup product. When this will apply, if the stock is completely not available, for example, the fabric seat is zero and V6 engine is zero, there is no stock. In that particular situation, normally what we are doing, we are creating the purchase order, we are waiting for it, and it will create a big problem. So for that purpose, we are creating this backup product. If the fabric seat is not available, automatically apply the backup product, the leather seat. If the V6 engine is not available, automatically the V8 engine will apply for the backup product. We'll go for a real demo. So I just showcase the stock, the fabric seat, and the V6 engine. Both are not available. You see, zero stock. Same thing, V8 engine we have a 98 units, and leather seat we have a 98 units. This is the scenario. I create a new manufacturing order. I choose the product. You see, automatically all the products are coming from. It's a default functionality. So based on the bill of material, all the products are automated. So you see, I need the fabric seat and V6 engine for this particular making the car, but it is not available. The stock is not available. So in this particular situation, if I save it and if I confirm the manufacturing order, automatically the fabric seat and V6 engine will be replaced by leather seat and V8 engine. You see, that's it, leather seat and V8 engine. The same thing if I go for a plan, produce all, the stock movement also will be taken by leather seat and V8 engine. I just go to inventory, reporting, list. You see, this is the manufacturing order. You are able to see. So the leather seat will be moved from WH stock to virtual location production. So this is the new feature in the backup product.